stop crying.
Hi guys. One easy way to repair your system files and get rid of these pesky error messages is downloading a tool specialized in keeping your computer in healthy and working condition. This software scans your computer for broken files and restores or completely replaces them. You won't ever need to worry about errors or BSOD crashes anymore after installing it in your computer. Windows Update is meant to improve the overall performance of your operating system, integrate new features, and even upgrade the existing ones. However, there are times when certain errors may occur out of the blue. Thankfully, if you happen to run into such issues, there is a specialized Windows repair software that can help you solve them in no time, and it is called Restoro. This is how you can fix registry errors using Restoro. Download and install Restoro. Launch the application. Wait for the application to find any system stability issues and possible malware infections. Press Start Repair.